Good morning, and welcome to our special journey towards inner peace and spiritual exploration. Today, we embark on a meditation focused on overcoming fear and mental blocks associated with astral projection, tailored for beginners. Together, we'll learn to understand these fears, prepare our minds and spirits, and embrace protective visualizations to guide us safely. Relax, find a comfortable position, and let's start our journey inward. Fear, while a natural part of the human experience, can often act as a barrier to exploring the depths of our consciousness. The fear of the unknown, of losing control, or encountering negative energies during astral projection is common. It's important to recognize these fears as mere thoughts, not realities. Let's take a deep breath in, acknowledging these fears with compassion. As you exhale slowly, visualize these fears as clouds dispersing in the night sky, clearing the way for a journey of discovery and enlightenment. Preparing your mind and spirit is crucial for a harmonious astral journey. Envision a sphere of golden light around you, pulsating gently with each breath. This light is your shield, your guardian, ensuring that only positive energies can interact with you. Feel its warmth, its strength, and let it anchor you to your physical reality, serving as a beacon of safety and a reminder of your ability to return whenever you wish. Now, with the light as your ally, set a clear intention for today's journey. Perhaps you seek understanding, healing, or simply the experience of astral travel. Hold this intention in your heart, knowing that your protective light amplifies it, guiding your spirit on its path. Mental blocks, like fear, are constructs of our mind. They can stem from doubt, past experiences, or societal beliefs. Yet, they are not insurmountable. Imagine each breath in is filled with golden light, infusing you with courage and clarity. With each exhale, picture these walls or barriers around your spirit dissolving, revealing open skies and infinite possibilities. Visualize a gate, once closed and locked, now swinging open before you. It leads to a realm of knowledge, healing, and growth. Step through it confidently, leaving behind any remnants of doubt or hesitation. You are safe, you are strong, and you are ready. The power of visualization forms a core part of your astral protection. Envision a vibrant shield of light encircling you, its energy pulsating in harmony with your heartbeat. This shield is impenetrable, a barrier against any negativity or lower vibrations. Within it, you are untouchable, connected to the highest frequencies of love and protection. Feel this shield interwoven with the energy of the universe, a testament to your connection with all that is good and pure. Trust in its protection and know that your astral cord, your lifeline to the physical, is secure and vibrant, ensuring your safe exploration and return. Let's embark on a gentle, guided ascent. With each breath, feel your spirit lightening, effortlessly rising above the physical confines of your body. You are enveloped in your protective light, ascending through layers of consciousness. As you move higher, notice how your fears and blocks appear distant, losing their hold over you. Surround yourself with the infinite calm of the cosmos. Here, in this sacred space, you are boundless, connected to the essence of existence. Embrace this moment of profound peace and freedom, basking in the tranquility of your spiritual journey. As we conclude our meditation, Gently guide your consciousness back to your physical self. Carry with you the serenity and strength from your journey. You possess the knowledge and tools to navigate and overcome fear and mental blocks. With practice, patience, and trust, the astral realm becomes a place of beauty and exploration, a reflection of your inner peace and resilience. Thank you for allowing me to guide you this morning. May the peace and insights from today's meditation enrich your day and your spiritual journey.